Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the essentials of starting a bookkeeping YouTube channel and why it's critical in today's economy. First up, identify your niche. Who is your target audience? Are they small business owners or maybe students learning the trade? Understanding their needs is key. Setting up your channel means choosing a catchy name, branding it effectively, and creating a visual aesthetic that resonates. Now, let's discuss essential equipment. You don't need extravagant gear, just a good camera, microphone, and some editing software. Optimizing your videos is crucial. Use effective SEO strategies and create eye-catching thumbnails to maximize your reach. Promotion is vital. Utilize social media platforms and engage with your community to grow your audience. Monetization options include ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Explore what fits best for you. Consistency is key. Create a publishing schedule and actively respond to your viewers to build loyalty. In conclusion, building a community around your bookkeeping channel can be a rewarding journey. Start today and share your passion.